In this video, we'll show you what to do if you can't log into your Deriv MT5 account on your MetaTrader 5 Android app. First, you need to make sure the broker name, your login ID, and server name match the details on your Deriv MT5 dashboard. To double-check your account details, use your mobile browser and go to app.deriv.com/mt5. Log into your Deriv account and go to your Deriv MT5 dashboard. If all details match but you still cannot log into your MT5 account on the app, you can reset your password on the Deriv MT5 dashboard. To do so, go back to app.deriv.com/mt5 on your mobile web browser and click on the pencil icon. This will open the Manage DMT5 Password pop-up window. Click on Change DMT5 Password, then click Confirm. You will receive an email with a verification link. Click on the link and you will be redirected back to your Deriv MT5 dashboard to set your new password. Enter your new password and click Create. You've now reset your DMT5 password. Please note that your new password applies to all your MT5 accounts. Go back to the app and try logging in using your new Deriv MT5 password. With these steps, resetting your password helps resolve password-related errors, including authorization failed, invalid password, and invalid account. If you'd like to find out which error occurred when you were trying to log in, tap on the three lines at the top left corner to access the menu, then select Journal. Scroll through the messages in the journal. You'll see the time and the login message with the details. If you see invalid account, it means that either the server, login ID, or password is incorrect, causing the login failure. If you see the trading has been enabled hedging mode message, it means that you have successfully logged in. For a smooth trading experience, make sure to keep your MT5 app updated. If you still experience problems after following these steps, our customer support team will be happy to assist you at any time. Get in touch via our live chat at www.deriv.com. Check out our blogs and videos to learn more about CFD trading and Deriv MT5. All on www.deriv.com/academy.